Welcome to my channel Tiny Trek Tales.
The explorer bot on the ice moon. Far away, in a corner of the galaxy filled with twinkling stars, there was a frosty moon called Glacia. Glacia was covered in ice so clear it reflected the sky like a giant mirror. No human had ever visited Glacia. It was too cold and dangerous. But one day, a little explorer bot named Astro was sent to explore it. Astro was a shiny, round robot with wheels for rough terrain, rocket boosters for flying, and glowing blue eyes. It was built to explore places humans couldn't. The scientists back on Earth gave Astro a mission: find out if anything was alive on Glacia. When Astro landed, its sensors beeped wildly. The ice was slippery, the air was freezing, and enormous crystal mountains glittered in the pale light of a distant sun. It was a world of dazzling beauty, but Astro's mission was clear: it needed to search for life. Astro rolled across the ice, its little wheels crunching softly. Suddenly, it detected strange movement under the ice. Scanning, Astro said in its cheerful robotic voice. A red light flickered as it analyzed the area. Beneath the surface of the ice, something was swimming. Astro drilled a small hole in the ice with its laser. As the drill melted through, the water below glowed with a soft blue light. Out of the water popped a curious creature that looked like a mix between a jellyfish and a glowing lantern. It floated gracefully, its tendrils sparkling like stardust. "Hello, I am Astro, an explorer bot from Earth," Astro said, its voice echoing cheerfully. The creature blinked with its glowing eyes and pulsed with light as if it was speaking in its own language. Astro quickly recorded the creature's patterns of light and translated them. "You're not from here, are you?" the creature's light seemed to say. "No," Astro replied. "I come from a planet far away to explore your moon. Are there more like you?" The creature swirled in the water, lighting up in bright colors. "Yes. We live under the ice, safe and warm in the water." It gestured with its glowing tendrils to invite Astro closer. Astro extended its robot arm, dropping a small camera into the water to take a look. Below the ice was an incredible underwater city. There were glowing towers made of ice, tunnels of light, and hundreds of creatures like the one Astro had met. They swam together, creating stunning patterns of colors that lit up the dark water. Astro recorded everything, amazed by the discovery. "This is incredible. Earth's scientists will be so excited to know you exist." The glowing creature pulsed gently. "You are welcome to visit, but please remind your people to be kind to our moon. We are small and delicate." Astro nodded its round head. "I promise to share your message. We will protect your beautiful home." As Astro finished its mission, it launched one last gift into the water, a small glowing spear that played gentle music. The creature swam around it, curious and delighted by the strange sounds. With a soft whir of its boosters, Astro returned to its spaceship, sending a final signal back to Earth. Mission complete. Life found on Glacia. It's magical, glowing, and worth protecting. As the ship lifted off, Astro watched the icy moon grow smaller and smaller, its heart, or circuits, glowing with pride. It knew it had discovered something truly special, something that would remind everyone back home how vast and precious the universe is.
Thanks for watching Tiny Trek Tales. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. See you next time, Tada!